How to check the weather on the Environment Canada website. Go to the search bar and click on the search bar. Type weather, WEATHER .gc.ca. Press enter. Okay, so this is the Environment Canada website, and it's part of the Government of Canada. So scroll down until you see weather. Click weather. Okay, now we're on weather. Now I want to go to local forecasts. I can use my current location. I can click here, or I can find my province and city on this list. So my province is British Columbia. So I will click British Columbia. And then I will scroll down. That's British Columbia. Until I see this long list of cities in British Columbia. It's a really long list. I live in Vancouver, so RSTUV Vermont. There is Vancouver. So I click on Vancouver. Okay. So now I can see what the weather is like in Vancouver right now. So I see that it's mostly cloudy, maybe a little bit sunny, but mostly cloudy, and it's 14 degrees Celsius. So that is the current weather, the weather right now. If I scroll down, I can see the forecast for the next 7 days. So there's Sunday, that's today. And then underneath tonight, so it's going to be rainy tonight and 10 degrees Celsius. And I can also see the weather for the next 7 days. So tomorrow's Monday. And I can see, a chance of showers. So rainy, sunny, and cloudy all at once. And it's going to be 13 degrees Celsius. So that is how you check the weather on the Environment Canada website.